Practice problem 2. Let's write an equivalent fraction by getting rid of the fraction. What do we multiply by? Equivalent equation, I mean, by getting rid of the fraction. There's only one fraction, and it's 1/3. So we're going to multiply by 3. So the 10 gets multiplied by 3. Most people forget that. And the 1/3 gets multiplied by 3. So I didn't give you the parentheses this time. You're going to do a little bit more each time yourself. So we're going to get 30 equals 1/3 times 3 is just 1, x minus 15. So really this is just 30 equals x minus 15. The first term, you'll need this for the exit ticket. So the first term is 30. The second term is x. And the third term is negative 15. There is no fourth term in this one. So let me not put x because that is a term, huh? So that is it for this one.